Hello everyone, today we're going to talk about time. So far, time has not been defined accurately, so time is something that everyone knows but doesn't know what it is. In the field of physics, time is generally an objective existence. It is a component of the universe. According to the Big Bang model, 13.9 billion years ago, there was a big explosion in the universe. At that time, space and time were created. We live in space and time. People have always thought that since the big explosion, the whole universe has been expanding at a fixed time. No one can change the time of the universe. Not until 100 years ago, Einstein proposed relativity. What we thought about time is completely overthrown. Einstein said that the flow rate of time can be changed. It can be fast or slow. Slowing down is the easiest. At first, no one believed him, but after countless experiments, Einstein was proven right. There is a requirement, however, that is, speed of light does not change. For example, my left hand is moving forward at a speed of light and my right hand is moving forward at a speed of light. So you would think that they would look stationary relative to each other, right? But that's not the case. My left hand is still moving forward at a speed of light relative to my right hand, and my right hand is still moving forward at a speed of light relative to my left hand. My left hand is faster than my right hand is also faster than my left hand. It's very counterintuitive, isn't it? But this is an objective fact through experiments. In the night, you see the stars in the sky. Some of the stars are moving towards us and some away, but when you measure them, they are all moving at a speed of light. This means that the speed of light is not affected by the nature of the luminous body. That is, it lets its own speed fly. No matter where it is coming from, it is not affected. Our Earth actually revolves around the Sun. The rotation speed is very fast, 30 meters per second. It is like the Earth is moving straight forward. The light from the front of the Earth and the light from the back of the Earth are the same speed when we measure them. So what kind of mechanism does the light use to ensure that it can maintain the speed of anything and anything? We don't know. But this is an objective fact. So if the speed of light does not change, how does light travel more distance or less distance? That is where time comes in. If speed can't change, then time must change. The closer you are to the speed of light, the more time slows down. If you travel at the speed of light, then time stops. We just talked about what physicists think about time. Next, let's talk about the general view of philosophers. Philosophers generally think that time is a subjective existence. It is a concept that people designed for the convenience of life. It is a natural product of the brain. It is not an objective existence. For example, we get up at what time every day and then we have a meeting at what time. How long does a meeting take? This is our own feeling. Time is life. It is a feeling of loss of life. That's why we say time is valuable, because our life is limited, so time seems to be valuable. Life and time are inseparable. There is no existence of life. There is no existence of time. If there's no one to experience time, then time does not exist. So if our life does not exist, time does not exist. Some philosophers think that we only live in the present. There is no past and no future. Why would one think that the past didn't exist? It is because the only one thing that can prove the existence of the past is our memory. And memory is a subjective existence. That is to say, memory is a kind of information. It can be created by our brain. It can also be tampered with. It can also be eliminated. So if memory is not an objective existence, the past is not an objective existence. You would say, what about the fossils that we dug up from billions of years ago? But the fossils are dug up now. You can only prove that it exists now. So what is the past? It is just a consensus of a collective memory, and it can be changed by erasing documents and memories. Which explanation makes more sense to you, the physicist's side or the philosopher's explanation?